Republic Day. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All praise is due to Allah, who is the Lord of the world. My dear audience, first of all, welcome to the honorable chief guest and respected manager sir, principal sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. I wish you a very happy today. Friends, today we are gathered here to knowledge in this auspicious occasion about India. We celebrate every year of Republic Day. India was not self-ruled country. India became a self-governing country when the Constitution into effect 1950. So we celebrate it every year. My dear audience, the means of Republic is that a freedom to Indian people to choose their leaders to lead the country in right field of direction. But no, India is a republic country where public elects its leader as president, prime minister, etc. Our great freedom fighters have struggled a lot to the Panna Swaraj. In India, like